Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now for Noir Case Break tonight, 6:16, 7 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll for the participants. Whoever ends up on top gets the 5 NT spots 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Marcus or Lot gets it. Now to the teams. Going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Yoink.
Random is complete, and the team draw is Marcus a lot with the Grizz, Jake Harvey Blazers, Tucci Wizards, Scott Miller Thunder, Grant McDonald Bucks, Tucci Clippers, Brendan Knicks, Albie Chin Heat, Grant McDonald Kings, Andrew Hunt Warriors, McDonald Raptors, Michael Paul Sixers, Grant McDonald Wolves, Hudson Spurs, Scott Miller Jazz, Mick Pilak is Cavs, Matthew Fotty Mavericks, Brendan Berthelot Lakers, Grant McDonald Pelicans, Bartley Bulls, Albie Chin Celtics, Nathan Allott Hornets, Jake Harvey Magic, Stretch Armstrong Pistons, Michael Paul Nuggets, Grant McDonald Suns and Rockets, Dale Nets, Stretch Armstrong Pacers, and Brendan Berthelot with the Hawks. And that's the team list.